Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Dabur India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Dabur India with a revised price target of Rs 615. Dabur's Q4 numbers were ahead of our expectation, mainly on account of higher than expected operating profit margin at 16.6%. Revenues grew by 5% year-on-year, domestic volume growth of 4.2%, and PAT grew by 16.6% year-on-year, like for like by 22.7%. The company's growth in rural markets stood at 8% versus urban growth of 4%. Dabur expects rural growth to improve with likelihood for a better monsoon and sustained support through government initiatives. Management targets revenue growth of high single digit to low double digits with mid to high single digit volume growth. Operating profit margin would stand at 20% in FY25 and will consistently improve in years ahead. Stock is corrected by 12% from its high and is trading at 43.5 times its FY25 and 36.7 times its FY26 estimated EPS. Recovery in volume growth will be key re-rating trigger for the stock. Next, we have an update on Marico Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Marico with a revised price target of Rs 620. Marico's soft performance in Q4 was largely in line with expectation, with revenues growing by 2% and volume growth of 3%, while EBITDA margins improved by 186 bps year-on-year to 19.4%, resulting in 13% year-on-year growth in PAT. Volume offtake of core portfolio is expected to gradually improve in the quarters ahead. Food and premium personal care expected to grow by 20% CAGR over the next 3 years. Targets low teens growth in FY25. Consolidated operating profit margin to consistently improve with scale up in premium foods and personal care business in the coming years. Raw material inflation might keep operating profit margin flat in FY25. Stock is trading at 40 times its FY25 and 35 times its FY26 estimated earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.